Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Google Tasks with Any.do. All right. So for this integration or syncing, we'll have to use a third-party website called Zapier. Okay. Now in here, just go to zapier.com. Now go ahead and make an account. It's totally free. Okay. Now once you're in here under the dashboard, go ahead and go to App Connections. Now click on Add a Connection right here. Now look for the apps. All right. For example, Google Task. Like so, wait for it to load and click on Google Tasks. All right, click on Add Connection and a browser will pop up, which will make you log in. Just go ahead and log in. All right, as you can see here, Google Tasks is added. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Another Connection, which is Any.do. All right, wait for it. As you can see, we have Any.do Personal and Workspace. So I do have a Workspace account. I'm going to select this one and hit on Add Connection. Wait for it to load right here. And it's going to make you sign in with your Any.do account as well. So just go ahead and log in. Once done, just hit on allow. Wait for it. As you can see here, it's now added. So what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to the top left and click on create. Okay. Now click on Zaps. In here, you can go ahead and use Copilot, but if you want to do it manually, go ahead and click on Trigger. Now, first up right here, we're going to be using Google Task. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and use Any.do, depending on how you like your workflow to be. Okay. For example, I'm just going to use Google Task first. Now in here, I'm going to go ahead and select an event right here to the right panel. Okay. Trigger event, maybe new task. Okay. Hit on continue. Task list, click on it. Use the specific task. If you want to include assigned task, go ahead and click on true. If not, hit on false, then hit on continue. And after that, you can go ahead and test it out, test trigger, and to continue with the selected records. Now it's done. Step 2 right here is the action. Okay, click on action. Now for this example, I'm going to be using Any.do. Right here, choose an event, click on a drop down, and maybe use the event to create workspace task. Okay, hit on continue. Now go ahead and put the title right here, workspace. Right here, title maybe a new list, just like so. In the board, select the board section right here, maybe to do. Tags, urgent, like so. Owners, just me. Due date if you want to, and notes right here. Just hit on continue. Okay. You can go ahead and test the step if it's working. It says here send task to Any.do. Testing is done. Just hit on publish. It says here we are preparing your Zap to go live, and now it's live. And it says here your Zap will run when the new task trigger event in Google Task occurs. Just go to home, and once done, you're good to go. That's basically how you do it. You can now add tasks to Google Task, all right? And automatically, those data will be received in your Any.do account. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.